Okay, good evening. So today I am excited to show my project of Praxis 2.0 Hackathon and conducting by DSUE and Google Developer, and our team name is Engineering Work. And here is my problem statement which I have taken, and my problem statement is learning patterns and classroom strategic insights, and the theme is educational and identifying the behavior and analytics and personalization for the student. So nowadays here a lot of students will be there, and for each and every students analyzing and giving suggestions to them is somewhat difficult for these teachers. And here we have that problem statement, and here they provided a small data set, and then I have gone through all the data set, and I have understood all the parameters with the help of um, those I have built models. So here is the total each and every day status what I have done. Initially I started understanding the data, and slowly I started building a machine learning model to identify the student cluster and prediction, how his performance is there, and whether he need some mentoring, whether he is in risk or not. So based on the some data I have taken, which is useful for predicting and classifying, clustering those things. And then slowly I have built model, like testing with multiple algorithms, like clustering we did. And next one, based on that I started doing decision making. And then I have built that one, and identified some patterns, and as I created a small dashboard of the whole overview of the dataset they have given. And then I started implementing the dashboard using Streamlit, and then I got a small metrics of that, how many students are there, and their risk level, and guidance needed level and all. And the next thing is I deployed that one in live server in AWS EC2. Next one is and um, so I deployed by giving a small domain. So right now the app is in live in Streamlight. And next is I did some basic things, requirement for the deployment, and then generative AI integration. So I have built one AI agent which will give feedback, which will work like a real teacher, and I have trained that my model and to work like a real teacher. It will be getting some data of the student, how the student performance is there, and like what he's doing and how much time he's studying, some basic data. Based on that it will give a feedback, that feedback to the teachers, that teachers can able to give to the students. So this is the whole thing I have built, and here is a small demo so which will make understand. And this is the Streamlit application, so learning platform, learning patterns. And first we will have a look at class level overview. So here is the overview: total number of students, risk level, and clustering distribution, like who are all consistent learner, moderate learner, and who are all at risk. And here one more class distribution of risk, so how many students are in risk, like they give more guidance and importance, they have to take care more by the teachers. And medium level risk, they have to guided very less, and low risk is they are doing their job, it's better. So this is what the distribution says. And the next thing is, so here we will take randomly one student from the data set. Here 2835 student is there, or we can say 2680 is the student. So his study time, his absentee is failure. So actually high risk is there because his absentees is more, and he's learning something consistently, and but he's in more. So what are really required, this is based on the machine learning algorithm recommendation, like he need immediate mentoring, parents approach, weekly progress checks and required. And next thing is generative AI teacher feedback. When I click on this data will be sent to an AI, generative AI agent which you have built, and it will analyze all the data and it will give the feedback, like highlighting the student's strength first of all, where is his strong, and the areas that he has to concern, and the teacher mentoring, so what the teacher has to do, how the teacher has to guide to the students. So these all the things it will give. So like that we can have for any student from the data set. And next one is for individual students also we can able to find a similar way. So this is the whole project of machine learning model building and prediction, classification, and the next thing is recommendation for the teacher and generative AI feedback for the teacher, so how to guide them and all. So that's all, and thank you for the opportunity.